Good morning, guys. Today is our 8th day, 7th day, I don't even remember now. So, our next further journey, we are getting ready. As you can see, Shanam is cleaning the windows and the windshields, and he has already put the luggage. And right now it is 4:45 a.m. in the morning. So now Drish has given the remaining luggage to Sharnam.
So right now it is 5:15 and our journey is 4 hours 6 minutes and it is 214 kilometers from Coimbatore to Thiruvananthapuram.
We have just halted for some tea, snacks, breakfast. It's still around 2 hours from here. So I think it's 7 right now. We should be reaching the temple by 9:30 considering how much time we spent for breakfast. We're waiting for Nilesh. We have sent him live location. So once he reaches, we'll have some breakfast. Kids are enjoying. The weather is very pleasant here because it keeps raining on and off.
We're making tea over here. चाय आ चुकी है. After 2 hours of long drive, everyone was sleepy. सुबह 5 बजे से उठ के हम लोग यही कर रहे हैं. Now it's something like what's not working. Okay, it's 7:24 right now. So right now from 5 to 7 we were like just straight in the car. मैंने सागर दृश्य ने बहुत मजे किया है. We are trying to make a reel. There are advantages of road trips. You can actually change our plan anytime we want. Like before we had a plan to again move towards Mumbai via Bangalore, but now we are gonna do it via Hyderabad just because we wanted to visit few more places.
have parked our car in this area, and from here we are going walking to the mandir, which is I think around 250 meters from this area.
Now we are moving towards Meenakshi Temple through all these gullies because a car can't enter so many gullies, and the uncle told us that if we go towards the parking lot, we'll find a lot of rush. So we just plan to park our car outside, and now we'll just enter the temple.
Wow, that's the beautiful Meenakshi temple. Now we are entering the queue, entering the mandir. There is a queue. We might have to deposit the phones, and then we'll enter the temple. Now we have nicely done our darshan. It took us around 2 hours. In spite of taking VIP tickets, it still took us 2 hours. If we didn't take VIP tickets, it would have been 4 to 5 hours. Now we are on our way to find our car, which we had parked outside the temple. And then once we find the car, we'll find a good place for lunch, and then move towards Trivandrum. Since the roads are a bit of a puzzle, I am using the Find My Car feature of XUV 700, and that app is showing us way to where our car is parked, and we are just 10 meters away from it. And here we come out and find the car. Vaishali also seems to be a bit tired after 2 hours of standing in the queue, but it was a nice darshan. Good satisfaction.
A car here, and there are so many cars. So we'll just go in and see once. So we ordered noodles, rice, dal and roti. It's tandoori roti. So all adults are eating all roti, sabji and rice and whatever, and we kids are gonna eat noodles. हमको अभी जस्ट मिला जिगर ठंडा. See, फेमस हो गए. वाह, मेरे भाई का भी एक ठंडा ही बन गया. So we are on NH44, which is a Srinagar Kanyakumari highway as well. It connects Srinagar to Kanyakumari.
It connects two different ends of India.
Oh.
Just 1 hour back we had our lunch, but here
So nice.
all three of them are hungry again within 1 hour. And look, they are having laddus, and this fellow is having chokos. Halted here to have quick tea. So the kids are having Horlicks, and the rest of them are having tea. Oh, here we can see a lot of windmills. Yeah, see. So from here the toll road starts. The view while traveling to this road is really scenic. So today, while doing darshan at Meenakshi Temple, it took us around 2 to 2.5 hours inside, as there was big line. So we took the VIP coupon of 100 rupees, and in that we could do the Meenakshi Temple main deity darshan plus Swami darshan inside with that 100 rupees. And there was even a big line of free entry, but that would take around 3 hours to do only the darshan of main deity. So coming to the main deity of Meenakshi Temple, it is basically dedicated to Parvati, and there are many other idols of other gods like Shivji, Ganpati ji. So now we are entering the Kerala state. So Shanam, how about driving in this area?
This is a good achievement, coming far off from Mumbai and reaching up till Kerala. I hardly see any Maharashtra, Gujarat cars.
But today reaching homestay, and then we are going to just relax, do nothing. And tomorrow's plan is to do Jatayu's Earth Center.
So this is one room and the other two rooms are up.
This is one room.
There also.
Not this, no?
So this is another room. This is also good. Maybe Dada Dadi fit. No. Moving up all the bags and keeping it there. So today we are done for the day. We were planning to visit more places, but since it's already 7:30, we're planning not to visit anything again, like just sit, eat and sleep, and then tomorrow we'll have a nice day.
So this is behind the scene videos, how the videos of the car is taken. The other car has Insta 360 and the gimbal.